साथ जाओगे?
Will you go with me?
Yes, I shall go with you.
So hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. So guys, right now there are two new students with me, Sony and Preeti. The name of both of the girls are Sony and Preeti. These are new students. They have been studying here for 3-4 months, and today they are going to do conversation in front of you all. Their topic is both of them are planning to visit a mall.
Hello friend.
Hello, how are you?
I am fan and you?
I am also good.
Friend, what are you doing nowadays?
No, आज आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing today?
Friend, I am doing nothing.
क्या तुम कहीं जा रही हो?
Are you going somewhere?
Are you going anywhere?
Are you going anywhere?
हाँ, मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
Yes, I want to go.
क्या तुम मेरे साथ जाओगे?
Will you go with me?
Yes, I shall go with you.
तो
Where?
पहले बताओ कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
But first all of you.
First of all.
But first all of you speak.
First.
But first you speak. Where will you go?
I will go.
मुझे मॉल जाना है.
I will. I have to go to mall.
कौन सी मॉल जाना है आपको?
Which mall you have to go?
जाना है आपको.
Which mall have you to go?
I have to go.
I have to go to
I have to go to
City Style Mall.
City Style Mall.
Where is City Stem Mall?
यह जुमली तिलिया में.
City Style Mall is
City Style Mall is.
the City Style Mall is situated in Tilaiya.
तुम्हें मॉल क्यों जाना है?
Why do you have to go to mall?
Because I have to purchase something.
Some clothes.
Some clothes.
तुम्हें किसके लिए कपड़े खरीदना है?
But
किसके लिए?
for whom you have to purchase clothes?
For whom you have to or have you to?
For whom have you to purchase clothes?
I have to purchase cloth myself.
Clothes for myself.
Clothes for myself.
क्या तुम भी कुछ खरीदोगे?
Will you purchase something?
Will you also purchase something?
Will you also purchase something?
हाँ, मैं देखूंगा.
I shall see.
I will see.
I will see.
अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद आएगा तो मैं खरीदूंगा.
If I will like anything, then I shall purchase.
If I will like anything or if I like anything.
If I like anything, then I shall purchase.
कब जाना है?
When we have to when we
word helping verb when के बाद WH word के बाद helping verb.
when we when have we to when have
हमें कब जाना है?
when have we to go?
When have we to go?
We have to go on Sunday.
Sunday नहीं, today आज की बात हो रहा है ना?
Today
Today at 10 o'clock.
at 10 o'clock.
ठीक है, अभी 8 बजा है.
Okay, it is 8 o'clock now.
हमारे पास 2 घंटे हैं अभी.
We have 2 hours.
तो मैं अभी खाना वगैरह खा के आता हूँ.
Then I come to.
I am coming. मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Then I am coming to eat food.
Okay, friend. Nice to talk with you.
Nice to talk with you नहीं. ठीक है, तैयार रहना.
Okay, be ready.
मैं आऊँगा तुम्हें लेने.
I shall come to take.
I will come to receive you.
I shall come to receive you.
So guys, you must have observed how these people were hesitating while doing conversation. They practice very less and they read, but they do not practice to speak. One who practices to speak a lot can speak English very well and without any hesitation. So what both of you have to do is to practice to speak English more and more. Understood, no? Although I was helping you at you were hesitating, then this is just because of lack of practice. So you both of need to do practice hard. Okay.